In this awareness video from InfluenceWP, we are checking out a WordPress plugin called Hide AI. This is a free plugin over in the WordPress repository from Andrew Hoyer, which you can see his post up here on my screen over on X Twitter, where he's talking about what exactly this plugin is going to do. As soon as I read what it says it's going to do on the tin, I immediately got excited because as someone who does website care and maintenance, I fight this constantly. So you've got some plugins out there that have their own AI integrations, and then they're placing their icons in certain areas of WordPress. So for example, if you're working in the WordPress block editor, you may see an icon for an AI integration for this or for that or for that. There's just, depending on what you have installed on your site, right? Right off the bat, not to pick on any particular company, but Elementor is the first in the list that he has here for when he says the plugin currently hides AI options generated by the following. So we're just going to look at Elementor because within my agency, that's something I've fought to try to get rid of just because it causes a lot of problems. The argument could be made, and Miriam Schwab from Elementor actually jumped into this thread and made the argument that some of our users want that AI as part of their workflow. And yes, that's true. Some people do want that, but there's also people that don't want that. And the problem with Elementor specifically is that it, from an agency standpoint, it doesn't give you the option to globally turn off AI. And I've fought against this in the past. So we're going to look at this here together and see what the issue is and see what Hide AI can do for us. Okay. So here I have a test site. And if we go into a post, so I've got Elementor activated. If I go into a post, we're now using the block editor, right? And we see right away over here on the right-hand side, generate with Elementor AI. And this is in relation to configuring a featured image for this particular post. Okay, if I go in here and we add a block for, let's just do heading. We see right away, we edit this heading with Elementor AI. So you see it all over the place. This is just a few of the many examples of where you're going to see this. So I'm hoping that's what his plugin gets rid of, because now as an agency, I can get rid of this globally, okay, on any of the sites that have Elementor running. All right, so let's look at a couple of other things. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go to users. Let's go to my user account. And we see here that Elementor at some point, after a lot of pushback, they did add this. Okay, enable Elementor AI functionality. It's toggled on by default. You can toggle that off. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's refresh this page. We now see that Elementor AI is gone from the right-hand side here. Let's edit a heading. And we see that it's gone here. That's great. That's great. But the problem is, from an agency standpoint, that doesn't work. Okay? Here's why. So on this site, I am logged in as an editor. So I'm an editor. I work for this business. Even though our website admin, which is my account, has AI disabled on his account, I can come in here. Let's go into this post. Let's take it over. There we go. Edit with AI is back. Let's edit the heading. Edit with AI is back. That's because you need to, with Elementor, you have to do this. Every user has to go into their account while they're logged into their website and turn this off. Now imagine this on a grander scale, how big of a headache this would be, okay? Okay, so let's take a look at Andrew's plugin. So I'm gonna come over here, plugins, add new. He said to do a search for Hide AI in quotes. There we go. Let's install it. Activate. I'm assuming it's just going to work. So let's find out. Let's go over to this site again. So again, I'm logged in as the editor. We see the AI here. Let's refresh this page. Post, I should say. There we go. AI has gone from the right-hand side. Let's edit the heading. AI is gone. Andrew, I love you, man. Don't know you. We haven't met. You just easily solved a problem that I've been battling for years, ever since Elementor, released that AI. So kudos to you. If it's just great. I just can't say enough about it. Super excited. Gonna roll this out for 100%. Gonna roll this out. Thanks for creating it. You're onto something here, and keep pushing. All right. See you guys in the next video.